Welcome to Daily Justice Files.
Court is calling 2022 CR 8640, State of Texas versus Roland Hernandez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Oscar Salinas.
Neil Calfus on behalf of Mr. Roland Hernandez.
Are you Mr. Hernandez? Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am, I have, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Hernandez.
I'm waiving. Oh, sorry, waiving individual accounts.
That's okay. It's been a long day. Any objections to the waiver?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Mr. Hernandez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both.
Mr. Hernandez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you into this plea?
Oh, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Oh, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. There are no applications. If you do not appear at sentencing, then you will be subject to the full range punishment. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge.
State?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged in the indictment. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Judge. State offers within Marcus States Exhibit 1 is attachments.
No objections, Judge.
Showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. When are you asking for sentencing?
Just after the first of the year, Judge, any day, whatever the court pleases.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, do we have a time on the 9th? All right, so your sentencing is going to be on January 9th. They're going to give you a reset form. You need to make sure you appear on that date. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Mr. Hernandez. This is possession less than a gram case, which means, or I'm making the assumption that somebody's using.
What you're about to witness isn't just another courtroom hearing. Within minutes, a judge delivers a message so powerful that it could change a man's future forever. But before that happens, one simple decision sets everything in motion. Stay with us, because this case is far from ordinary.
Don't go out there and start using drugs because you're not going to be seen till January 9th. Drugs are not approved by the FDA. People put in whatever they want to put in, and you could end up ODing, and then you won't make it to see the new year. It always gets to the point when it's close to the new year and people are as my grandmother would always say, knocking on the door, get into the new year, and then something happens and they die. Don't let that be you, because you're adding to the equation of using drugs. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form and we'll see you back then. Always good seeing you, Mr. Kalfas.
You too, Judge. Merry Christmas to you and the court staff and your mother, of course.
Aw.
So I haven't catch up with you. I'm sorry I'm the best friend, but
You have not been,
you know that if you ever need me, I'm right there for it.
see, that's the key. If I can pick up the phone and call, I know I can pick up the phone and call.
You know that you can. So
And then you won't fly to get to me. You'll run because you could get there faster running than flying. It's always good seeing you. I had a chance to speak with Laura Abib.
yes. Well, how's she doing?
She's doing great.
You know, what I think about is that it's been 25 years now since we graduated from law school.
Oh,
I'm not really sure where the last 25 years has gone.
quite quickly, right?
You know, I'm definitely not feeling like the new or young lawyer.
Well, just think of your first law school exam.
Well, you know, I wake up in the sweats when I think of that, and when you laughing after.
All
How
right.
would you feel if you were completely discouraged from going into criminal law as a result of that?
I would have brought you along. I would have brought you along. I would have lifted you up. Mr. Bond, could you speak with Ms. Ferguson for a moment?
Sure.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, do you wish to have another attorney appointed to you?
Yes, please.
All right, we're going to go on the record. We're going to go on the record in 2022 CR 5348B, State of Texas versus John Gabriel Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, we were here on December 14th, 2022, and there appeared to be some issues with your attorney. Are you requesting another attorney be appointed to represent you other than Mr. Sherman?
Yes, please.
All right, that's going to be granted. Sorry, that goes with that file. All right. Your attorney that came up is going to be Mr. Charles Bont. He's right next to you. All right. So, Mr. Bont, this has been reset for January 24th for jury trial, but I know that you're a new attorney on it.
Yes.
So if you all want to have a chance to confer, I think the state has its file down. It's a possession case.
We'll look at it right now.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can sit down?
Yes, please.
Right now, everything seems calm and procedural. The defendant answers every question without hesitation, and the hearing moves exactly as expected. But don't let that fool you, because the most unforgettable moment of this case hasn't happened yet. Wait until you hear what the judge says next.
All right. Today is the plea deadline date. What's going on?
Oh, it is the plea deadline date.
Yes.
Oh, no. I was going to ask this court very nicely if I could get it until January 14th. I'll have an answer to them before then. So the issue is that she's a co-defendant to a defendant that is represented by Mr. Bunk. So I'll review those two cases together. Not to disclose too much about the facts of her case, but there are some issues with it that I would like to at least get a little more familiar with, which would include bringing in the officers. And it looks like there was, at some level, a federal investigation that was
All
going
right. So
on.
who's the co-defendant?
Ruben Rodriguez. Is he's in your file, Judge?
Yes.
All right. So Norma. All right. So I'm Ruben Rodriguez. And on Priscilla Sosa, we're going to call that back on January 14th. Is there any
The 12th.
objection?
I'm sorry, 12.
12th. They're telling me January 12th, Miss Ferguson.
I think the 14th is Saturday.
I think so, right? Well,
Yes. Well, you guys can be here.
I'm going to pass.
All right. And Mr. Rodriguez will come back on the 12th as well. Do you need to speak with him?
No, he knows.
All right. So we'll come back on the 12th on each of those cause numbers. Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form and we'll see you then. Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
I brought this up a couple times in the past. My client still has a light monitor. Is there any chance you can take that off? I don't think she's had any violations.
Is she on tracking? What is she on?
No, just right now. I was hoping.
Okay. State, you want to confer over that?
At this point, it feels like the hearing has reached its conclusion, but the courtroom isn't finished telling its story. The judge's warning wasn't just about following the law. It was about the real-life consequences that can come from a single choice as one defendant leaves with a powerful lesson, another steps forward with an unexpected request that immediately changes the direction of the proceedings. It's a reminder that every person who enters this courtroom brings a different story, a different struggle, and a different future hanging in the balance. So here's a question for you. Do you think the judge handled this case the right way, or would you have made a different decision? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy real courtroom stories with professional commentary, be sure to subscribe for more.